Hi, I'm Gloria Strauthers, one of the keynote speakers for the 2023 cleaning festivals hosted by Gem Supply. I'll be speaking on how much are your inefficient processes costing you. The truth is 20 to 40% of your business revenue is lost due to inefficient processes. If you're like me, I love to save money, yet I see time and time again string mops being utilized by cleaning staff. The string mop is an outdated and inefficient tool for commercial cleaning programs. Short term, it will cost you less, but in the long term, it will cost you tremendously. I know I'm getting some ugly looks now, but string mops are just one example of how an inefficient process can cost you in your cleaning program. If you'd like to learn how to save money in your cleaning program by deploying efficient processes, then register for my session on February 23rd in Orlando, Florida at the 2023 Cleaning Festivals. I'm Gloria Strauthers, and I can't wait to see you in Orlando, Florida.